Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to do a spelling activity that you have not done before. It's practicing our spelling words with 3 different tools. The first one is a pencil. We're going to write our spelling words with a pencil first. Then you can get a crayon and write your words with a crayon. And then after that, you can try it with a marker. The more we practice our spelling words, the better we will get at being able to say them. So let's start with the pencil. The first word is ham. Please write ham. H-A-M. Very good. And boys and girls, you'll have to forgive me because I forgot my pen for my iPad at school, so I'm using my finger. So I'll try and do my best handwriting, and you try to do your best handwriting. Okay? All right. Our next vowel is going to be E. So let's do fed. Can you write fed? Good. Fed. Nice. F-E-D. For the next one, let's write pig. P-I-G. Good. And then let's do hop. H-A-P. So we have ham, fed, pig, and hop. Let's try a short U word. Let's write sun. S-A-N. Sun. Very good. Now let's do another short A word. Let's try hat. At. Good. Let's do a short E word. How about peg? P-E-G. And a short I word. Let's do him. H-I-M. And another short O word could be pot. P-A-T. And for our last word, let's do another short U word. Let's do fun. F-U-N. All right, boys and girls, now I want you to go grab a crayon, either from your desk or from where your teacher has crayons, and we're going to practice these words in crayon, so you can choose whatever color you want to do. So I'm going to practice with blue. So all you need to do is in the second column, write the word again. So I'm going to write ham with my crayon. And then my next word is fed. Let's do that with your crayon. And then pig. Good. And I want you to continue down for the rest of the words, copying them in with your crayon. So go ahead and push pause, and then when you're finished doing the crayon, push play. All right, boys and girls, for our last column, we are going to write with a marker. So I want you to push pause and go find a marker from your teacher. Okay, great. So now you're just going to write the words again in the last column in your best handwriting with the marker. So go ahead and give that a try. And then when you're ready to move on and do the back side, you can push play. All right, boys and girls, now we're on the back side. Do you remember how to do this from the other day? So our word family is ob. So the first thing we do is we look for ob words up at the top in the boxes. Is this an ob word? No. What about this one? No. This one? Still no. What about this one? Yeah, that's an ob word, so I'm going to color that one. This one's an ob word. Can you find all of the ob words? Let's see how many there are. I found 6. So make sure that you found 6 too. Next, you're going to need a paper clip. This one is the one where we put the pencil and the paper clip in the middle and spin it. And then we write whatever word it lands on. So if I spun my paper clip and it landed on cob, I would write cob on number 1. K-A-B. Okay, let's spin it and do it again. Which one is it going to land on? Oh, this time it landed on sob. So please press pause and finish the 8 words. When you're ready for the last part, push play. Okay, boys and girls, now we're ready for the very last part. This is finding the shapes of the word and writing it in the shape. So the first word right here is mob. So I'm looking for 2 middle boxes and a tall box. Can you find it? Yeah, it's right here. And then I'm going to draw a line through that one because I found it. Now I'm looking for a letter that goes under the ground, and then a middle letter and a tall letter. Can you find that pattern? Yeah, right there. Job. Oops, that didn't work. So I'm going to do a better B because that one looked kind of silly. Remember, I'm still using my finger. Okay, Rob. Can you find where Rob goes? Yeah, it goes right here. Rob. Now we're looking for sob. There's 2 more, sob and gob. Sob here and gob here. Good job, boys and girls. All right, do what it is that your teacher wants you to do next.